Well, it's certainly been a tumultuous time in terms of Poland and its relationship with and its place in the European Union. And now another development, this time relating to the ECHR, the European Convention on Human Rights, and the European Court of Human Rights, which of course I've been talking about the ECHR in relation to the UK, to the illegal migration crisis, the Human Rights Act, and whether Priti Patel and the government are going to leave the ECHR, as Theresa May of course wanted to do, set out that the UK should when she was Home Secretary. Now, just to remind you what's going on when it comes to Poland at the moment, of course, we saw Poland's Constitutional Tribunal rule that the country's constitution takes precedence over some EU laws, trumps EU laws. Poland hit recently with a number of huge daily fines, the government vowing not to pay those EU court fines. The European Court of Justice, one of those fines was a daily fine of €1 million on top of a €500,000 a day fine also imposed. But in another development now, as I said, in relation to the ECHR, Poland's Constitutional Tribunal ruling that the European Court of Human Rights cannot question the status of its judges. What's been described as Poland stepping up its legal fight against Europe, Poland's Constitutional Tribunal this time saying that the European Court of Human Rights had no power to question the appointment of its judges, and effectively ruling that parts of the ECHR are incompatible with the Polish constitution, with the head of the tribunal setting out that Article 6 of the Convention, as far as it includes the Constitutional Tribunal in its definition of a court, is not compatible with the Polish constitution. Deputy Justice Minister Sebastian Kaleta saying that the Constitutional Court throws away the ECHR judgment violating our system, saying it was a beautiful day for the Polish rule of law and sovereignty, and that another attempt at external and illegal interference in Poland's system has been stopped. Now, reacting to this ruling from Poland, the Secretary General of the Council of Europe said all 47 Council of Europe member states, including Poland, have undertaken to secure the rights and freedoms set out in the European Convention on Human Rights as interpreted by the ECHR. Member states are also obliged to implement the European Court's judgments. Today's judgments from the Polish Constitutional Tribunal is unprecedented and raises serious concerns. We will carefully assess the judgment's reasoning and its effects. So look, it isn't just the UK where there's more focus now on the ECHR, but Poland, already a big bust up when it comes to the supremacy of national law versus EU law, now also in relation to the ECHR. Let me know what you make of all of this in the comments below, guys. As ever, I'll keep bringing you all the very latest on this and more, so make sure you have hit subscribe and the bell. And of course, thanks for watching.